I decided to record a little conversation with a customer named Jim Neinhart from Renaissance Executive Forums of New Jersey about a solution that we introduced about a year ago that he started using not long ago to tell you something about this product and his experience with it. So Jim, it does, as I say, business development consulting. Interesting aspect. Jim is on the line with us. Jim, let me ask you just to tell whoever listens to this recording a moment about your business. What do you do?
Okay, I've been in business since 1997, and what I do is I create and I lead peer groups, the CEOs, presidents, and owners of small and mid-sized businesses. It's kind of like a board of directors for companies that are too small, don't have the know-how or the wherewithal or the finances to hire their own board of directors. They're too small. And what I do is I put 8 to 10 non-competing CEOs, presidents, and owners in a group, and they meet monthly, and they work on issues, problems, opportunities, and challenges.
Interesting. So not only are you a business person and you're using GoldMine for quite some time and been a customer with us for I'll say about 13 plus years, probably more, and but you're also helping other business owners to be more productive and deal with all the issues of running a company. Well, what got me to want to record this was this solution called ConnectLeader. I have that up on the screen. It's a product we do offer here at First Direct. Uh, Jim, tell us why you introduced ConnectLeader there, how you're making out with it.
Okay, I was using a competitive product before I used ConnectLeader. It was very expensive, but it worked. And the best way to describe it is it's conversation enabling software platform. And the biggest difficulty I have is reaching my target audience. CEOs and presidents and owners, they don't take calls very often. They have gatekeepers. And it takes forever to get somebody on the line. So between navigating phone trees and then working your way through the gatekeeper, you might talk to, less than one person per day if you did nothing but make phone calls because they're just not available. So this conversation enabling software allows you to, once you have your database uploaded from your GoldMine database onto their platform, it allows you literally to press the go button, and then you can do some other work, and it takes anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes for somebody to come on the line, and you'll get a bing and a screen pop with the contact record of the person that they got, and you're talking to the decision maker. So there's kind of two elements. One, the system uses a predictive dialer, so they're dialing anywhere from 5 to 10 phone numbers at the same time, and they obviously will drop anything after they get a good connect. They have agents that are trained pretty well, but they don't cost a lot of money, and all they do is they navigate the phone trees, and then they get through the gatekeeper to get the decision maker that you have on your contact record on the line. So they do all this hocus pocus due to software and trained agents, and you really don't need to worry about that. You just upload the database once or multiple databases. When you sign on in the morning, you check off the database or databases that you want to call that particular day. You press the go button, and then you just wait, and you can do other work. And then all of a sudden you'll hear a bing, and you'll get a screen pop of the specific contact record of the person that will be on the line. You will have recorded a 5 or 7 second intro call, such as, "Hi, this is Jim Neidhart from Renaissance. Did I catch you at an okay time?" That's pre-recorded. So that's playing. You can hear that, while you're reading the contact information so you know who you're talking to. And then you just pick it up from there and you have your conversation. After the conversation's over, right there in that screen pop is an opportunity for you to dispense with the call and put in your disposition in terms of what the result was, and any notes you have, and any follow-up activities that you want to put pending for the future. And then that's it. You hit the end button, and then you hit go, and you're ready for your next call. And you can do that over and over and over for as long as you want to call, an hour, half hour, 3 hours. And then when you're done with your session and you sign off, that's when the system reconnects to your GoldMine and updates all your contact records that were called for which you did a disposition, and put some result codes and notes and the like. So once you have it set up, it's a very, very simple system to use. And instead of talking to one person per day of phone calls, you might talk to 3 people in an hour. It's that good. So I can't speak enough about it. It's just a great product. And it's also a whole lot less expensive than the competitive that I was using. And as I said before, you can sync it with your GoldMine. You upload your database. That's common with all the systems out there. But when you're done, this populates your GoldMine records with your disposition information that you put into the ConnectLeader, and it automatically updates your GoldMine records. Similar to, I guess, a Constant Contact or a MailChimp or one of the other products that you might use with GoldMine. And that's it.
Jim, thank you very much, Jim. It certainly has given you productivity, and I like the idea that you can be doing other things while they're doing the tedious effort of putting you in a conversation, as you call it, conversational enabling system, in a conversation with your decision makers. The integration with GoldMine is great. And you know what? I got to be frank. I was a little skeptical when we started with the solution, but when Jim's story came to light, I figured, our customers here at First Direct would like them to know about this. And I wanted to let Jim record this testimonial with us. I want to thank him very much for that. If you are in the New Jersey area, I'll say, and you're a business that doesn't have a board of directors, and you're looking for confidential experience where you can, confide in other business leaders and talk about issues, and they bring in speakers. It's a very cool thing that he does, and it makes it very economical for you to, develop your company. So I encourage you to look up Renaissance Executive Forums in New Jersey. Jim, you want to give your, let me just give out your phone number to anybody who contacts me, and rather than putting on the recording, and we'd be happy to introduce you to Jim if you'd like to talk to him directly. Thanks for listening, everybody. And Jim, thank you again, and thank you for over a decade's worth of business relationship. That's terrific. Bye-bye, everyone. Thanks, Jim. Bye-bye.
Okay.